Good morning students. Today's topic is guarantee of profit. This is the last topic of this chapter. Guarantee means assurance of minimum profit of share to be given. Now the question is this: who will give the profit and who will get the share of profit? We can say guarantee is of three types. First of all, we should understand there are three types of guarantee. Guarantee of profit by partners to a firm. To understand this point, guarantee of profit by partner. If there are three partners, A, B, C, and this is a firm. Here is written, if one of the partner A or B or C is giving the guarantee to the firm, suppose if firm was earning the profit of 1 lakh and A or B or C, one of the partner is saying to firm that he will give him the profit, that the firm's profit will be increased to 1,20,000. 1,20,000. It means one of the partner is saying to firm that now he will make the firm able to earn the profit of 1,20,000. It means one of the partner is very sure to increase the firm's profit. It means this is the first point, guarantee of profit by partner to a firm. The second point is guarantee of profit by a firm. What does mean by firm here? Firm means that is all other partners, two partners. To understand this point very clearly, A, B, C, there are three partners and we can say collectively they are called firm. Suppose A, B, C, one of the partner is weak. Suppose C partner is weak. At that time, all other partners, that is called firm, they will give the guarantee to C that suppose C is earning 30,000 and all the partners give the assurance to the weak partner that he will make the C partner to earn the profit of 50,000. It means all of the three partners are giving the assurance to the partner C that he will make him able to earn the profit of 50,000. This is the second point. Now we will see the third point, guarantee of profit by individual partner to other partner. Suppose A, B and C. There are three partners. Guarantee of profit by individual. Suppose A partner or B partner or C partner, any other partner, is giving the guarantee by individual partner to other partner. This partner give the assurance to other partner, means B or C, that he will give them the profit. What profit he will give them? Suppose they are earning the profit, both they are earning the profit of 70,000 and A is giving the assurance to B and C that he will make them able to earn the profit of rupees 1 lakh. It means partner A will give the partner A will give them the excess profit, that will be the 30,000. Okay, these are the 3 points of guarantee given by, the first one is given by partner to firm, and the second is guarantee of profit given by firm. Firm means all of the other partners will give to the other partner, and the third is guarantee of profit by individual partner to other partner. After doing this, we will understand how we can calculate the guarantee, calculate the profit, and we will take questions after some time. Now the third and important point is, if in a question two or more guarantees are given, if in a question two or more guarantees are given, then the preference of guarantees should be in the above mentioned order. Where is above mentioned order? These are the above mentioned order. If in a question there are two or more than guarantees, we will solve the question according to this order. First, we will see in the question, if this type of guarantee is given, we will solve first this guarantee, and after that we will solve this type of guarantee, and then we will solve the question in this. We cannot take the sequence wrong. We will take the sequentially. At that time we can solve the question. I think you have understood what the guarantee means and who give the guarantee to other person and other person or firm. किस तरीके से हम कौन सा पार्टनर किस पार्टनर को कौन सी गारंटी देता है, ये हम समझ चुके हैं. अब हम कैसे इसको सॉल्व करेंगे अकाउंटिंग ट्रीटमेंट, वी विल सी by the help of, we will take a question to understand this problem. In a firm, A, B and C were partners and they were dividing their profit and loss in the ratio 4:2:1. It was provided that C's share in profit for a year would not be less than 7,500. Profit for the year ended 31st March 2019 amounted to rupees 31,500. You are required to show the appropriation among the partners. The profit and loss appropriation account is not required. To understand this question, we should understood that there are three partners, A, B and C, and their profit sharing ratio was 4:2 and 1. According to the question, C's share in profit for a year, the share of C would not be less than 7,500. What is the profit of C's share? 7,500, and it was given, this amount was given to him. It was the guarantee of the firm. The firm assured to C that his share of profit would be 7,500. This guarantee was given by firm to the partner C. And one more information is given. Profit for the year ended 31st March 2019 was rupees. Profit for the year was 31,500. These are the three information which were given in the question. First one is the ratio of profit and loss among the partners A, B, C, which was 4:2:1, and the assurance given to C by a firm that he will get the profit 7,500, at least 7,500, and The profit for the year was 31,500. These are the three information given in this question. Now, how can we calculate? We will see. First of all, we will write here A, B and C, and we will see what is the profit for the year. 31,500. 31,500, and we will be put here the ratio of A 4 upon 7. Total of these ratio. In the same way, we will write here 31,500 2 upon 7, and in the same way we will write here 31,500 into 1 upon 7, and now we will calculate. Amount will come 18,000, and in the same way here we will find 9,000, and the profit of C will come 4,500. But students, the assurance was given to C that he will earn at least 7,500, and C has got the profit 4,500. You are seeing what amount is less here. Means 7,500 was required and he earned 4,500. It means 3,000 rupees are less here. But who will give the assurance? You can see the firm. It means C will get, if C will get 3,000 rupees, his assurance was fulfilled. But from where these 3,000 come? These 3,000 will be given by A and B. Who will give? The rest of the partners will give to C. The rest of the partner A and B will give the amount of 3,000 to C. Suppose if A said to B, you should give 3,000 to C, then B will say to A, why should I give? You should give 3,000 to C. It means it will be somewhat quarrelsome. So, students, here you are seeing the ratio 4:2:1. One is of C, the rest ratio is of A and B. So, we can say this 3,000 which were given to C will be distributed among between A and B's ratio. 4/6, because A, B, the ratio of A is 4, ratio of B is 2. So we will divide this 3,000 between A and B among this between this ratio. So we will cut this amount and we will receive the amount 2000, and in the same way $1,000. It means partner A will give means minus 2000 and partner B will give 1000. In this way, A and B will give the 3000. 2000 will be given by A and 1000 will be given by B. Now we will find the answer. A's profit would be 18,000 minus 2,000 will come 16,000, and 9,000 minus 1,000 the amount will come 8,000, and 4,000 plus 3,000 will come 705,000, which was assurance given by the firm, or we can say the rest of the partner. In this way, we will find the appropriation among the partners and without making profit and loss appropriation account. So students, I think you have understood very well how can give this problem of guarantee to accounting treatment. We can solve this problem by accounting treatment, and we will take some other questions in the next video. Till then,